Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have an Ang Fan hair clipper salon set. As my desk mat goes flying all over the place. So basically it has durable life, powerful system, noise reduction, 3-hour fast charging, steel knife, and 4-gear fine tuning. So let's take a look and see what that all means. And it's in a nice, handsome set. And I love the steel color of this whole thing. You know, it's not black, blue, red, whatever color variety. This is a nice looking trimmer. It just feels and looks like it is substantial. This is the, that turns on the clipper. Oh, I had the clipper guard on. But that is pretty quiet compared to some other ones. I love that it's cordless, so it's rechargeable. But that is a nice, that is a good looking trimmer. Is it me or? That is fantastic. All right, so that is your big trimmer. Then here is your smaller one. So it's a 2-trimmer set, which is great. And I can't get the plastic open. All right, here, razor blade. So to say the least, it is very well packed. Then this is a smaller one, and that little switch is covered up with some tape. And this is packaged like really well. I'm going to have to use a little bit of a razor. I'll just do it along the edge here so I don't mess up the paint. We'll work that tape up. That tape is, again, let me get this guard off here. That tape is not fooling around. Alright, so that is your little trimmer. So again, they're not super loud. You can kind of hear it if I bring it up closer to the mic, but that's great. Again, it comes with a blade cover on that. And since I got the plastic off that one, plastic off there, and then you have a bunch of different height adjustments on this kit. So that's for your smaller one. These are bigger blades for a bigger set. So they fit on there pretty good. Just snap that out of the way. And then you got your little guard there. Snap that in the back. Or does it go on this way? Nope, I think I had it the right way. And then we just pull this out a little bit. There we go. Just snap that on, and then you have this. So you have the ability to, let me get that closer to the camera there. So you have the ability to adjust that in on the fly. So that is really interesting how that goes on. And then again, pop that off. So you have a whole bunch of different sizes here that you can put on there. So you can style like there is no tomorrow. Alright, so that goes on pretty tight. And again, you can angle that out, a bunch of different height and angles on that. And then just pop that off on that side. So really easy to take these on and off. Once you know how to do it. I struggled a little bit the first couple ones, but they're new, so they're going to be definitely a little bit on the tighter side. So we'll just put that back up there. Okay. So again, really neat. Put the blade guard back on. Put that back in the box. So this is your adapter, your charging block. You plug it into any regular wall outlet, and that is a C-type plug. So it just fits right into the back, like right on that, like on a little guy. And then I said it boasts 3-hour charge time, so you can like charge this up really well if you're like a busy salon or you're doing a lot of haircuts. Power it up beforehand, then plug it in between, so you are always charged up. So you got 2 different cords. So each one gets its own charge cord, and you get the one charge block. And then that is your mineral oil that you want to put in on your blades to keep them well lubricated and cutting well. And I think that's everything. I don't think there's anything below. And oh, there is more. All right. So this is your, I guess you call it like the barber smock that goes around you. You get the owner manual, and just give you some quick hints and tips there. And then you do get 2 pairs of scissors and a comb in here. And maybe I'll be able to figure out how this opens. All right, there we go. So you get, I guess these are kind of like your straight shears, scissors. And then you get your 2 other pieces in here. I said that is your, be nice if I had it in my hand correctly. So I guess that's a fan cut, I'm not sure. But if you cut hair, I'll give you kind of a close-up as long as it focuses in on that. Maybe a little bit closer. I think it's just blurring. Maybe you'll catch a glimpse of that shear. But then you have your comb. So a complete set to cut your hair from home or a small salon or a small barber shop. If you need some cordless clippers, this would be a great set. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot in there. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.